Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In this one guys, I'd like to show you this error here that says, of course, when you're trying to update your Apple Watch. So if you're trying to update your Apple Watch and it doesn't want to update as it's telling you installation pause. As you can see here, to install the update, the Apple Watch must be connected to its charger and charge at least 50%. All right, so let me show you here. So for example, you can do it on the watch, or of course you could do it on the device itself. So just in case you're not here, go into your Apple Watch. So go to your Apple Watch, and of course it's the same as doing it on the watch. So go to General, and of course go to Software Update. And when it says here update, go ahead and update. Now it says it cannot continue with the update, and especially in cases where you need to update because you are charged in most cases and you're stuck because the device just simply doesn't want to update. For example, this is charged to 100, but it's telling me if I hit OK, it will tell me that it will either wait to install, as you're seeing here, waiting to install, or it simply won't push the update. All right, and if you want to update right away, it can be an issue. Now the problem usually is not the charge. For whatever reason, it needs to be connected to the brick. So go ahead and make sure it's plugged in. As you can see here, it will detect that it's charging, and what you need to do is to go to Settings, General, and of course here, and as soon as it's updating itself, it will say verifying. And it's an annoying issue because it should be able to do it without being connected, even if it's at 100, as that's more than enough to finish the process. And it will just simply hang there. If it tells you to do it in the night, it will not do it in some cases. So of course, again, what I do is go ahead, make sure that's on. It says it's verifying. All right, so now that it says it's verifying, I'm going to go on here. I'm going to unlock this, so make sure it's unlocked. All right, notice now it says installing. So once it's connected to the charger, it will do what it's supposed to do. All right, there you go. And try not to bother it. And you notice without the charger, it will simply not go through the process. So you see now it's updating. All right, so the trick is to place it on its charger. Even if it's at 100%, it will not do that. It will not go through the process. And that's because the update process requires a lot of energy and it doesn't want it to die prematurely. So it makes sure that you're connected to the charger. And in most cases, it can actually at 100% battery finish the charge, but will just simply not do it until it gets the additional power from the charger. All right guys, so the process does take a while, so I'll end the tutorial here, and as you can see, it's going through its spaces and it's taking a while to load. So of course, allow it to do its thing. Make sure you have continuous power through the process and it should complete successfully. All right, so hope that helps you in removing from that stuck screen, and see you in the next one guys. Bye.